Welcome to ASIM Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn about stack implementation in Python using a list. Define a class for the stack. Initialize the stack, which is just an empty list to start with. Push operation adds an item to the top of the stack. The append method adds the item to the end of the list, top of the stack. Pop operation removes the item from the top of the stack and returns it. Check if the stack is not empty before popping. The pop method removes and returns the last item in the list, top of the stack. If the stack is empty, return a message. Peek operation returns the item at the top of the stack without removing it. Check if the stack is not empty. The last item in the list is the top of the stack. If the stack is empty, return a message. Is_empty operation checks if the stack is empty. If the length of the list is 0, the stack is empty. Size operation returns the number of items in the stack. The size of the stack is simply the length of the list. Example usage of the stack class. Create a new stack instance. Push some elements onto the stack. Should print 30. Should print 3. Pop an element from the stack. Should print 30. Check the stack state after popping. Should print 20. Pop remaining items. Trying to pop from an empty stack. Should print stack is empty. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to ASIM Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.